Ever seen the Jimmy Fallon skit where they have tight pants? That's what I look like. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new. So I'm feeling kind of crazy right now because I'm about to cut my hair and I'm really scared. I just got this like impulse the other day that I just want to like cut my hair. I'm really scared because I've never had a haircut like this before and I don't know how it's gonna look on my face. So I'm gonna try to cut a really thin fringe, and it's probably gonna be long because I'm not gonna have straight across. I just want it to go kind of out. So I don't know if I should do it. I'm gonna give it a shot. All I have is my little scissors, and I have big scissors too. I did have hair shears, but then
I tried to do the Kleenex test where you like cut through a wet tissue and they were so dull. And then I did it with these and they worked, so these are sharp enough to cut my hair.
Disclaimer, I do not know what I'm talking about. So if you try this and it really messes your hair up, don't blame me. So I'm gonna use my eyebrow brush to part my hair because I don't have a fine tooth comb. Okay, that's good enough for now. I'm gonna start them off really thin just in case like I hate it, then I'll stop. I'm just gonna go in sections to make sure that I'm not like regretting anything. I'm gonna pinch it really tight together so that I get like the angle cut. I'm just gonna snip this off. Oh my gosh. This is really scary. Now I'm gonna take the small scissors so I have better control and just snip away section by section. I'm gonna go shorter. I'm gonna start by cutting just the middle section now. Oh my goodness. It's just hair. Just hair. It's just hair, Jenna. Just hair. Have you ever seen the Jimmy Fallon skit where they have tight pants? That's what I look like. I don't know how to fix this, so I guess I'm just gonna start angling downwards. And then I'm gonna face frame around them. So like this long stuff, I'm gonna cut shorter too. When I wash my hair, these are gonna be like way up here. I twisted it because I think maybe if I twist it, then it will be easier to cut with my right hand because then like this side will be over here. So now I'm gonna style these and see if I can look less like Jimmy Fallon, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I just finished attempting to style the bangs. I'm really relieved because I thought that I was going to hate them and I actually don't mind them. I really obviously don't know how to style them yet, so I need to look up ways to style bangs, and I think I may need to cut them longer because they're kind of tucked under right now. Cut them shorter, I mean. Yeah, so I don't know. I may update you if I decide to cut them shorter, but let me just show you the side. I think it looks really cute with this half updo, and then this is the other side. I decided to kind of part them. I decided to make this video because I never really do anything crazy with my hair because I have this weird attachment to my hair. Like, it's like a security blanket, and I got this weird urge to just chop my bangs. So, I was like debating whether I want to or not because it's my hair and what if I mess it up, but then I was like, it's my hair. If you mess it up, it's fine. It's not the end of the world. Beauty is in everything, people. So I decided to prove that to myself and I ended up kind of liking it. So I'll come back if I decided to trim it, or maybe you'll just see a picture of it. You can follow my Instagram. I'll post a picture of it. My Instagram is @JennaWickland, MUA. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.